Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a smartwatch with a phone. Before starting, make certain both your smartwatch and phone have a full battery charge to prevent interruptions. Next, download the smartwatch's dedicated application from your phone's app store. This is crucial for the connection. Finally, power on your smartwatch and activate Bluetooth on your smartphone, preparing them for the next step. Now, open the companion app on your phone. It will guide you through the pairing process with clear instructions. You will see a list of nearby devices, so select your specific smartwatch model from that list. A unique pairing code will then appear on both your watch and phone. Simply confirm this code on both devices to securely establish the connection. The process typically takes less than 1 minute. Once paired, dive into the smartwatch application on your phone to tailor your experience. You can easily set up which notifications you wish to receive, such as calls or messages, directly on your wrist. Take time to personalize your watch face and rearrange widgets to display your most important information at a glance. Additionally, configure health tracking features, ensuring accurate data for your fitness goals. If you encounter connection problems, try a soft reset on both your phone and smartwatch first. Should issues persist, a factory reset of both devices can often resolve them, allowing you to start fresh. Always ensure both your smartwatch's firmware and your phone's operating system are fully updated for optimal performance. Remember to keep your phone and watch within a range of approximately 10 meters for a consistent and reliable connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.